In this video, I am going to show you how to check your weather temperature by using your iPhone and iPad. Okay, on iPhone you can see this weather app. If you doesn't see here, just go to app library and you can find this app. Now just open the weather app, and before that you just need to open settings, scroll down a little bit and open privacy and security and location services, and make sure you turn on the location. Then just open the app, and if you want to search for any place means just click these three horizontal lines, and here on the search bar just type the name. For example, Utah, and just open this and tap add. Now it's added to the slider. It will appear here also. You can also see this. Yeah, here you can daily monitor the Utah temperature. Just click that. In Utah it's like 10 degrees Celsius temperature, and on 7 a.m. it may goes to 11, and 8 a.m. it goes to 13. Like that you can see every 1 hour temperature for 6 hours. And you can also forecast for the tomorrow or day after tomorrow for the entire week. Here you can see, and this is a live map. You can monitor this. Just tap. Particularly if you want to know this place Nevada temperature means, just zoom a little bit and just long press on this empty space, and you can see add Manhattan. Yeah, now you can see it's 7 degrees Celsius. You can add any place like this and click this to change the map view. Temperature map. Yeah, now you can visibly see the temperature, and this is air quality. Here is the chart, and if you want to change the parameter to degree Celsius to Fahrenheit, like that means just click that and just tap this little circle on this page. Then you can see the option. In default it will be selected as Celsius. If you want to change to Fahrenheit, just click that. Now it's changed to Fahrenheit. In Utah now it's 50 degree Fahrenheit heat. Just like that. You can also edit the order. Then tap done. And if you want to create a widget like this means, just long press on this empty space and tap this plus icon and scroll down. Then at the bottom you can see the weather app. Just click that, and here you can select the widget model. I go to this way. If you tap add widget, then you can add the widget like this. After that just long press that and tap edit widget, and here choose the location, just like that. Then it will be changed like this. And this is how you can check your weather temperature by using your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.